Wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright, talking about a dream job, right? Until now, I never get a dream job in my life, you know what? Because, you know, just the promo aja 5 country like Asia, Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Africa. Band is focused for, you know, promo aja 5 country. Why? People like, you know, thinking I'm crazy. Yes, I'm very totally mad. I'm very totally crazy people because, you know, even though when asked again and again, why do you promote RJ5 country? You know what? Even nowadays, no one knows about RJ exactly what I would like to promote my 5 countries with my language. My language, foreign language, very children and famous nowadays, but you know, every single day, every single night, every single morning, again and again, you know, this is my dream, how to promote RJ 5 countries. Even though I don't have education, I don't have, you know, education, no, I just, you know, freelance as tourist guy. I do love my, you know, freelance jobs, you know what, when I got, you know, got from Europe, or Netherlands, Belgium, again and again, I always say, you know, the glory, the good, you know what, you could never find your life, like what happened exactly in your life. Tsunami sister, you know, the miracle mass, you know, survivor from, you know, the 5-time new tsunami, one world, you can imagine that. So that's because, you know, I don't know yet a future in my dream job, but you know, I'm still continue. I'm still, you know, doing it again and again. From the 5 countries: Europe, Africa, Asia, Middle East, Australia, Asia. That's it. Do only the way I promote that because I would like to invite them to visit the Aceh. Again and again, every single year, every single day, every single night. You know what? Every single people worldwide nowadays make Aceh after tsunami. Without tsunami, we don't know anything about Aceh. Alright? But if, you know, my dream come true, first, my dream job to be, you know, like, you know, how we say, first this guy, or interpret, you know, interpret, yeah, what's that? Interpret what? Yeah, interpreter, this is my dream job. And only English, for Spain, Esperanto, and bahasa learning that, dan Dutch, all with the forms. Alright, that's it on that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.